feel that everything the post. Men are in sizes, and life is a faces. Be sure to take it steady slow. You cannot count on what.
Oh, okay. You know what? Just go together. More, yeah. Close the distance. Love it, love it. Stay there, stay there. Ooh. Okay, you know what? Just come forward, come forward. Good, good. Now you sit just slightly behind her. Good, 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 good. So give me something sensual. I want to see, yeah, very sensual. Ooh, yeah, like you're making love to the camera. Let's go. You ready? Yeah, there.
Pick up, pick up, pick up.
Excuse me, ladies. Give me a second, please. Yes.
I think I have the money.
You think?
I have the money.
All of it, I assume?
Yes.
Good. Now you see, how hard was that? It's not so hard being a good girl, is it?
What next?
Calm, baby. Calm. I'll call you. Ladies, pose for daddy. Come on, give me something really sweet, really sexy. There you go. I love it. Stay there.
Did you observe this guy? This guy. He just sit down for this things, not even order drink, not order food. What if you say they don't?
What if you say they do? Waiting no go dey worry am for this country where we dey. In this country that we're in, everything is wrong with everybody. You wait, okay, you wait to talk. Ma ask you, no lie you. Are you happy with everything that is happening in your life? Everything they go well for you?
Don't ask me that, please.
No, no.
I'm asking you about this guy.
Sorry. I just try to get to know, say things are not. No worry. Kazeem. Kazeem. I swear, I don't know what they worry this guy.
What did they worry?
Look at where first. I swear, I don't know what they do.
What did they do?
My mama don't die.
Ah, Kole. This your mouth no good.
No, nah, they tell you. Okay. So what is not wrong with it?
Hey, anything if they wrong with him now? Says he dress. He be like, who they find job? We won't go interview from here.
You want to go to interview?
No, be like when mama die.
Okay, I agree. Even though he want to do interview, okay, I agree. Yeah. So is this where supposed to come and sit down and be waiting? And be pressing for this place be like waiting room. I be with the employee.
Now that one I not call no now.
In fact, man talk to them.
No, it's so time, because it's not rich you do. No, it's so time.
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine. I don't know. I just noticed that your table is empty. I don't know. Are you not going to order something, sir?
Oh, I'll order very soon. I'm just waiting for my date.
You'd have told us that you have a date. Nah, we didn't know. If not that one, no worry. I will give you something specially for her. I know how to handle it. Don't worry.
I don't want anything special, because I don't have money for special.
Oh, why did they do like this now? I'm a man like you. Don't worry. Don't stress yourself. If I cover you, no worry. I go handle her. Okay, no worry. She will love it.
True.
I swear.
Don't
worry.
Thank you very much. But see, please, let's make it simple. You know. Look, see, I don't want to embarrass her. I mean, this babe, she's very fine.
I will not embarrass you. Don't worry. As you don't tell me what it is up, I go run now.
Guys, see, you don't understand. Come, make I show you a picture. See. Look at her. Look at this one.
Baba, you carry I go market to. Now man you be. As I don't see, don't worry. I promise, don't worry. I go run am for you.
Okay.
We there here now.
Okay, no problem. So please let's get to it. Like I said, simple, you know? Because the truth is that we've not met face to face before.
Are you serious?
We've been doing online dating, you know, we've been chatting on Insta Messenger.
You see they do all this online love.
Yes.
Man, they do online love. Oh, I like my girl face to face. If I see you from my street, I toast you. I see you from my church, I toast you. But no wahala, I feel you. No worry. No problem. I greet you, boss.
Thank you. Thank you.
No wahala. No worry.
Simple, okay?
When you get girl.
Sandra. 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 Move to the side. Are you okay?
Okay.
I've been calling you since.
What's up?
You don't look like your normal self. Are you okay?
I'm okay. How far?
Yeah, let's talk. Haven't I not tried for you? I've done everything that needs to be done. All you have to do is transfer the money. You've not sent it.
No vex. Sorry, make I send them. Sorry.
Yeah.
You sent me your account.
Since yesterday. Sandra.
I don't send them. Sent.
Are you sure?
Sent, man.
See if the alert has entered. It hasn't entered yet, but maybe network issues. This is unlike you, Sandra. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay.
You know you can talk to me.
But wait, though. Chabi, you say you be influencer. So you mean say you don't get 1 million naira to order goods? You dey wait till you get transfer. What are friends for?
Don't let this packaging deceive you. Act rich to become rich. But I don't expect you to understand anyway.
Okay. So when the goods they arrive?
Today, tomorrow, maybe next. But I've spoken with the seller, so no shaking.
Okay. That means I need to open another Instagram page for promotion. So we'll use that one for promotion. Then you could influence for us.
Makes sense.
Wait. How far are you and Jazzy?
Jazzy. I'm seeing him this evening. So that should determine my fate, I guess.
Babe, it's fine, I beg. It's fine, it'll
But
be
I
alright.
love him.
I know. I'm having dinner with Tokunbo tonight.
Tokunbo.
So I beg you hold your phone in case I won't call you cry. I beg.
Good way job.
And I can't shout. Sandra. I mean, you know that you're using that phone.
Hello.
Sorry, please, but this seat is taken.
You're so funny. You're so that's what this is. Okay.
Okay, please, I do not mean to be rude, but I'm actually expecting someone.
Peter.
Wait. Aisha.
Yes, of course. I'm talking to you.
Okay. Wait, I'm coming. Aisha. Answer.
Hello, love. I'll call me.
What is this now? Eh? Hey, God, this world is a wicked place. Bros, I've been meaning to come. This world is a wicked place. What is this? Calm down, what? Why are you looking at me like that? Please come, bros. Thank God, bros. You saw me when I was here just now. I was sitting, I was smiling, I was happy, Abi. I showed you a picture.
Yes.
Wait, I'm coming. You saw the picture, right?
Yes,
I'm coming, wait.
What do you say, babe? Sweet.
Look, I beg, look this person.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful girl.
Yeah.
Peter, you embarrassed me.
Hey, hold on. Just keep quiet. Look this person, then look this. I don't know. I did the same thing.
Oh, that shit's back. Wow. Interesting. Interesting.
Mama, this is your transformation loud.
Thank you. You know better thing. What's wrong with you? I came down here with my file down here to meet you.
You came down here with my file.
I will even need your makeup artist. No problem.
I want to deceive some people. My God. You're a wicked person. You're a very, very wicked person.
Peter, I come here because you asked me to.
I come here because you asked me to. I dash you now.
Ah!
What I ordered best was what I got. I dash you, carry.
Let's be saying the truth. Ah! I see that picture. I beg, this is too much.
Mama, you talk.
Ah! I want to ask you, your girlfriend, your wife, or your grandmother, they don't apply makeup on their face. Because what I apply is just normal makeup without concealer.
Mama,
now get your talk.
there is makeup and there's surgical transformation. You see this one that you came with? Mama, now surgical tranquility.
I am really embarrassed. I will deal with Peter. Peter will hear from me. My comeback will be a hot thing. Peter will hear from me. That filthy thing.
Mama, the makeup artist number.
You see, Peter will hear from me. You say, Peter, see problem.
Oh, got it.
So soon?
Yeah, I have, you know what, never mind. Yeah.
It's just strange. You never leave the office this early.
Oh, I didn't realize someone was watching my every move.
No, come on. No, not at all.
Excuse me.
Sandra, who's this guy that you're putting all this effort to look good for?
You know soon. But wait, how come you don't have a girlfriend or a boyfriend?
Me?
I'll find you a girlfriend.
Oh, like you think I cannot find one for myself?
I mean, I've known you for years and you've never had a girlfriend.
Well, maybe because I'm not ready, or maybe she's not ready.
Oops. So there's someone somewhere.
Maybe not.
So what's your type?
My type? Slim. Not too fat because me, I cannot carry weight too. A decent girl, curves in the right places, just a little, just for effect, you know. Yeah.
Someone has a spec. Okay, hold that thought.
Okay.
Hello?
Hey, beautiful.
Hello?
So are we excited about dinner tonight?
No, I'm just home.
Really? And there I was thinking someone's daughter was excited to have dinner with me.
It's just a date.
I know. Anyways, so I'll get a cab to pick you up.
Hope it's not the same restaurant.
Nah. Something special. It's a surprise.
I like surprises.
Who doesn't?
Okay. See you at 8.
Yep, that works.
Bye.
Alright. Bye.
This really looks like your house. I love the aesthetic.
Am I supposed to tell him I'm shopping for the date? No, he's gonna feel too important. Hell no. Okay, let's try some clothes on. Let me try this one first. Oh no, let's just pick some more. You think I should try this one?
Yeah. Would look great on you.
This one?
Try them all. They all look great on you.
Okay. Thank you so much. I really love my look.
You're welcome. Can I have 1 or 2 pictures for my IG post?
Sure.
Okay. Oh. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, so the driver's at your place.
Okay, I'm ready. I'll go out now.
Someone sounds excited now.
No. I'm not. I'll see you soon.
Okay, see you soon.
You look beautiful.
You need to leave. I have somewhere to be.
And where might that be?
Somewhere that is entirely none of your business.
Sandra, come on. We don't talk to each other like that, huh? Be nice.
Seriously, Fola, you need to leave.
Right, okay. Let us go out so that we can talk.
There's nothing to talk about.
Sandra, there's so much to talk about. This meal, Fola.
Fola, maybe not today. Some other time, but definitely not today.
Definitely not today. Why definitely not today? Does it have anything to do with, what's his name again? Tokunbo, huh? The makeup, the hair, the dress. Does it?
And if it does, it's entirely not your business.
That's what I'm saying.
Fola, you need to leave.
Look, I feel like a grave injustice has been done. No, think about it. When we dated, you never looked this beautiful. And now, suddenly, you decide to glam up.
Clearly, you have eyes, but you cannot see.
Me?
Ears, but you cannot hear.
Okay, you know what? No need to bite. No need for the insults, okay? You want me to leave?
Yes.
I miss this chair. Oh, Sandra. Okay. I will leave.
You are on your own. They're clean, they have your back. When you fall, you go line for ground. Then you realize it. Zig and zag is how the story's told. Pains and gains is how we know. Mysteries will yet unfold. Make sure that you don't tumble. Ying. I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow. They feel